I bought this SFX PSU since the new case I will be using for my main rig calls for that size. Hi everyone, Mo again here, and today we will be unboxing this FSP Dagger Pro SFX PSU. And this particular one is the 650W version. From what I know, Dagger is the name of the SFX line of PSUs from FSP, and the Dagger Pro is the refreshed version of the units from the original line. Opening the box, we see this information booklet, I guess. The included power plug, if you're able to take notice of it earlier on one of the sides of the box, is of the UK type. Here's the included ATX plate adapter in case you want to use this SFX PSU in an ATX or MATX case. Here are the cables bundled together and are disconnected from the PSU since this is a fully modular unit. Nothing else found inside the box, so let's set it aside. Here we have the PSU itself. This is my first time seeing and holding one, and I must say that it is indeed compact. Of course, the other FSP PSU I unboxed recently is still much smaller, since that is a Flex ATX PSU, but this one is not too far off the shape of at least what I recognize to be a traditional PSU. This has a 92mm fan, which is semi-passive in operation, and it is 80 plus gold rated. That's it for this quick unboxing video of the Dagger Pro 650W version SFX PSU from FSP. Don't forget to click that like button to show support to my channel. Subscribe for more of these in the future. I'll see you all next time.